Hi, I'm Dawn from the blog ParkinsonsandUs.com, where I provide nourishing recipes, joyful living tips, and support for care partners everywhere. Welcome. Today we are going to make a mosquito repellent using essential oils. And I am actually in love with this company. It's called Mountain Rose Herbs, and I have been using their essential oils for quite a long time. And on their blog, I discovered a mosquito repellent recipe, and I thought I would try it and see how hard, easy it is to make. It doesn't look too difficult, and I'm gonna see if it works because I'm going out tonight. It's kind of towards the end of summer, but there are still a lot of mosquitoes in the evening here on Cape Cod, and I'm going out tonight with my guy with Parkinson's, so I'm gonna use it tonight, and then I'm gonna let you know and see if it actually really works. So I got the recipe on the Mountain Rose Herbs blog, and it was actually written by a freelance writer. Her name is Heidi. I'll put the link in the description below for the recipe, but it's called Natural Mosquito Repellent, Herbal Mosquito Repellent, and this recipe makes 8 ounces, but I'm gonna make 4 ounces. I'm gonna cut it in half, and I'm gonna give it a go and see if I like it first. So let's get started. So the recipe calls for just a few ingredients. It calls for witch hazel extract, catnip, and those are actually the 2 bulk ingredients, and then it calls for a few essential oils. One is rosemary, we have cedarwood, lavender, eucalyptus, and lemon. One of the essential oils was organic lemon eucalyptus, but I didn't have that, but I do have lemon and I do have eucalyptus, so I'm just gonna combine those 2. Okay, so the first thing it says is to combine your witch hazel and your catnip, and it calls for 4 ounces of each, but I am going to cut that in half and do 2 ounces of each. So I'm going to use this scale just to measure. Okay, and then this is the bottle I'm going to use, so I'm going to weigh this out. We'll clear it out, and it calls for 4 ounces of witch hazel, so I'm going to do 2 ounces. About half, a little more. Okay, and then it calls for 2 ounces of the catnip leaf extract, so we'll try that. I've never used this before, so we'll see. Smell it. 3 ounces. Okay, perfect. So we have our witch hazel and our catnip. That's all measured out. So now we just need to add our essential oils. And in this recipe, it calls for 10 drops, cutting it in half. It'll be 10 drops of cedarwood. So we'll do 10 drops. Okay, and 10 drops of the lemon eucalyptus. So I'm going to do 5 drops of lemon and 5 drops of eucalyptus. Of the eucalyptus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it calls for 10 drops of lavender. Each essential oil has its own consistency. And then it calls for 10 drops of rosemary. Oh, I love the smell of all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! It didn't come out for a while and then it came out quick. And then 5 drops of lemongrass. Let's see. There's my lemongrass. So 5 drops. And then last but not least, 5 drops of lemon. So we'll add 5 more drops of lemon. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's it. Make sure it's on tight. Shake. Okay, let me smell it. Oh, it smells good. I hope it keeps the mosquitoes away. It smells really good. And then it just says, let's see, it says store in the refrigerator with a tight fitting lid. Mix will be shelf stable for up to a year when stored properly. So it also says that you can pour some in like a little travel or a little spritzer bottle, which I think I'm gonna do too for tonight, and then I can take it with me and give it a try. Just do a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna give this a little try now, just to see. Oh, it smells really good. It smells good. I hope it works. So like I said, I'm gonna use it tonight. We're actually going to an outside movie here on the Cape. So I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna see if it works tonight, and then I will come back and let you know. Okay, so Doug and I just got back. We went to the movies outdoors tonight, and we tried this essential oil mosquito repellent that I made earlier. And I have to tell you, it worked. It absolutely worked. It smelled great. It wasn't too overpowering. Sometimes I get a little concerned about the natural repellents because sometimes they can be really overpowering. But this one is not overpowering. It smells really good. And we just put it on. We put it on over on our arms, any kind of exposed area. We sat outside, we watched your movie, and it actually worked. So Heidi, you did an awesome job. Thank you so much. Mountain rose herbs is the way to go. Super easy recipe. You saw me do it. It took like 5 minutes. So maybe give this a try. I'll put a link in the description below for the recipe and also for mountain rose herbs. They have wonderful essential oils. They have great dried herbs, and I just love the company. I'm always ordering things from them, and they are very knowledgeable and they are a great resource. So if you like this video, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to be part of the Parkinson's and Us community, I would love that. It's a wonderful community filled with lots of love and support where I provide nourishing recipes, joyful living tips, and support for care partners everywhere. So until next time, bye for now.